That's what we got up today. We doing a curve shower rod installation. Everybody know what these are. So it's a brief synopsis. I don't have a lot of time, but this will cut your learning curve on installing a curved shower rod. This is what we doing. All right, bet. So a normal shower rod will get placed. You see where the tub is at, get placed right along the edge of the tub. That's a normal shower rod. A curved shower rod, they recommend that you install it 3 inches back further for the curve that's going to come out, and it's going to curve around your straight tub. Okay, so what we've done, we've measured 3 inches back already, and this is it's an easy installation. What you do, you got the swivel holders that holds the pole. So what you do, I should have showed it. I should have did it ahead of time. Let's get it right here. You got it. Screws at the top and the bottom. You take these off before you install it, of course. Duh. I should have been showing you guys how to do this. Okay, so you just disassemble that with the screws at the top and bottom. You take this and you mark your holes. You pre-drill your holes, and you put your anchors in. You make sure it's level. Make sure this side is level with that side. Okay, then you reassemble it with the screw. Okay, easy peasy. Like I say, it's a little quick video. Always keep your drill handy. A lot of things say do not drill, hand screwdriver, Okay, so then once you got this installed on this side, this swivel arm installed on this side, okay, let's just screw that in. You've made sure they level. You marked them ahead of time. Then you take your pole that normally comes in 2 pieces. One side will slide into the other side. Simple like that. Slide in like a curving rod. And then you basically place it inside of the holders. Okay, now you see why they swivel. I'm sorry, I'm on one camera today. Don't click away. Don't click away. Boom. Okay, now we got it. We're gonna step back to let you see the finished product. Now it's swivel. It's very easy install. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. Those 2 poles slide into each other, and make sure it's level from side to side. You mark it 3 inches deeper, 3 inches behind your regular standard shower curtain pole. Okay, mark your holes, drill it with the appropriate drill bit. All right, slide your anchors in, screw it in, reassemble it, your swivel arms back together, slide it in, and then the last thing you're gonna do is tighten your hex screws, and you got your shower curtain, your swivel shower, your oval shower rod. Very simple installation. Anybody can do it. All right. Let me get a thumbs up. Let me get a like and a subscribe. Appreciate everybody. Waiting on you, mama. I'm waiting on you. All right.